Hi everyone. Today we are going to see the topic about simple interest. Tani vaddi. The definition of simple interest is the interest on a sum which borrowed for a certain period is reckoned uniformly. Simple interest அப்படினாக்கா ஒரு அமௌண்ட் வந்து கடனா இருக்கும் பொழுது அதுக்கு வந்து எவ்வளவு வட்டி வந்து நம்ம வந்து யூனிஃபார்ம் பீரியடுக்கு டிபெண்ட் பண்ணி எவ்வளவு வட்டி வந்து கொடுக்கறோம் அப்படின்றது தான் வந்து சிம்பிள் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட். Before entering into that simple interest, we are going to know the main terminology which is using in simple interest. First is principal. Principal is nothing but the money which borrowed or lent out for a certain period. The capital amount which is called principal. Interest is nothing but the extra money which paid for using others' money. அதாவது பிரின்சிபல் அப்படினாக்கா ஒரு முதலீடு அல்லது ஒரு பல்கான ஒரு அமௌண்ட் வந்து நம்ம அடுத்தவங்க கொடுக்கல் வாங்கலுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ற அமௌண்ட்க்கு பேர் தான் வந்து பிரின்சிபல் அமௌண்ட். இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் அப்படின்னு பார்க்க போனா நம்ம ஏதாவது ஒரு அமௌண்ட் வாங்குறோம்னாக்கா அதுக்கு வந்து அவங்களுக்கு எவ்வளவு அமௌண்ட் வந்து எக்ஸ்ட்ரா பே பண்றோம் அப்படின்றது தான் வந்து இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட். சிம்பிள் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் அப்படினாக்கா நம்ம எவ்வளவு அமௌண்ட் வாங்குறோமோ அதுக்கு வந்து எவ்வளவு அமௌண்ட் நம்ம வந்து எக்ஸ்ட்ரா வந்து ரிட்டர்ன் பண்றோம். அது வந்து எதை பேஸ் பண்ணினாக்கா a certain time of period uniformly மொத்தமா சேர்த்து இவ்வளவு நாளுக்கு வந்து இவ்வளவு அமௌண்ட் அப்படினு சொல்லி எவ்வளவு வட்டி சேர்த்து கொடுக்கறோமோ அதுதான் வந்து simple interest. The formula to find the simple interest is equal to PNR the whole divided by 100, where the P is nothing but the principal amount and N is the number of years and R is the rate of interest. How much percentage they are giving interest for the principal amount. From this formula, if we have to know the principal amount means we keep the P on left side of the equal and we have to convert this formula simple interest into 100 divided by number of years into rate of percentage. By using these two formulas, we can solve the simple interest sum and calculations. In this example sum, find the simple interest on rupees 68,000 at 16.2/3% per annum for 9 months. From this question, the principal amount is rupees 68,000. Here this is the R and this is N. The rate of percentage for interest R is equal to 16.2/3. Now we are going to convert into fraction. 16 into 3, 48 plus 2 the whole divided by 3. 50 divided by 3, the rate of percentage. Where next the number of years, that is 9 months, which is equal to 3/4 year. Now we are going to find the simple interest. From that simple interest formula, we are going to apply these values. Simple interest equal to PNR divided by 100. Here the P value is 68,000 into N value is 3/4. We keep the 3 here and 4 down as a denominator into R, rate of percentage, 50 into 50 divided by 3. The whole divided by 100. Now we are going to simplify this value. We can get the simple interest for the amount. Here 100 and 20 get cancelled. 3 get cancelled. Here 1 4s are 4. We simplify by 2 2s are 2. 3 4 0. Now we can simplify 1 7 0. 170 into 50. The simple interest which is equal to 8,500 rupees. This is the interest amount which for the principal amount of 68,000 at the rate of percentage 16.2 by 3 percentage per annum, and the duration is 9 months. In that next type, find the simple interest on rupees 3,000 at the rate of percentage 1/4 percentage per annum, and the period is 4th February to 18th April. Here the period is not given in year. Here the period which is given in date. So we are going to convert this into year. So from the given question, the principal amount is 3,000 rupees. Then the rate of percentage 6/1/4, which converted 24 plus 1 the whole divided by 4 is equal to 25/4 percentage. Now we are going to find the n value, n which is 4th February to 18th April. Now we can calculate. In February month only 28 days, so here the number of period is calculated like 24 in February month plus March 31 days plus April 18 days. So we are going to add these values 5, 3, totally 73 days the interest period. Now we are going to convert this 73 days into a year. So n is equal to 73 divided by 365. The year is 1/5 year duration period. Now we are going to apply into the formula of simple interest is PNR by 100. The capital amount is 3,000 and the n is 1/5. The rate of percentage is 25/5. The whole divided by 100. 130 get cancelled. 5 4s are 20. 30 into 25 divided by 20. 0 and 0 get cancelled. The value is 75 divided by 2, so 37.5. The simple interest for the amount 3,000 is rupees 37.5. The next sum is find the sum which is for 13 1/2 percentage of annum. The rate of percentage is given. Amount to 2502.5 rupees after 4 years. So we are going to find the sum of amount which is needed to get the 2502.5 after 4 years. Now the given is a rate of percentage is 13 1/2, 27/2 percentage is given, and the n is 4 years. And the final amount is 2502.5 rupees. This amount is equal to principal amount plus simple interest. Now we are going to find the simple interest is formula is PNR divided by 100. Here the P value is not given, so we have to consider as X. We are going to apply these values into the formula. X into 4 into rate of percentage 27/2 whole divided by 100. It can be simplified as 4 into 27 divided by 200. 1/4 are 4, 54s are 200, Here 27 divided by 50 into x. This is the simple interest. The total amount is given 2502.5, which is equal to the principal amount plus the simple interest amount. We are going to apply this value into this equation. 2502.5 is equal to the principal amount we can't know, so we keep as x plus the value 27x divided by 50. Now we can simplify these steps. Keep the x on one side. 2502.5 is equal to x into 1 plus 27 divided by 50, which can be write 50 plus 27 divided by 50, that is equal to 77 divided by 50 into x. So we can find the x value, keep the x here, and the term 2502.5 into 50 divided by 77. The principal amount is 1625 rupees. So the sum which is equal to principal amount is equal to rupees 1625. A sum of rupees 800 amount to be rupees 920 in 3 years at simple interest. Find the rate of interest. So here the principal amount is given 800 rupees and the total amount is rupees 920. So we can find the simple interest is the difference between A minus B, that is 920 minus 800 is equal to 120. The simple interest amount is rupees 120. The number of years is equal to 3 years. From the simple interest formula, SI is equal to PNR divided by 100. We can substitute the values. SI is equal to 120. The principal amount is 800, number of years 3 years, and R is going to be find. We can simplify these values and to get the R value 120 into 100 divided by 800 into 3. We can simplify 0, 0 get cancel. 1 3s are 3, 43s. Here 5 8s are 40. So the rate of percentage is equal to 5% interest. So far we have covered the topic about simple interest. The class is useful to you. Please kindly support for my channel. Thank you.